True Jamaican vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in the history town, Black River, St. Elizabeth. So take a tour with Fire Reid, True Jamaican vibes. So I'm gonna make a right turn. If you wanna do your shopping, you can come to the in-town supermarket. Also, you can get a nice sea view in town. And also you have your MoneyGram. Also, you have your Sagicor Bank on your right. So I'm gonna make a right turn, will take you all down to the hospital area. So keep on watching, guys. Beautiful weather today, so I'm gonna make a right turn which take us to the Waterloo guest house. As you can see, it's an ancient days building. So anyone remember their history, they can come to the Waterloo guest house. So we're gonna still keep right, which head to the hospital area. So it's a busy day today in Black River. So on your right, you have the Black River Courthouse. lot of persons supposed to remember them areas overseas, and a lot of persons miss traveling to Black River. Also, you have the St. Elizabeth Parish Library on your left, and also you have the examination depot. So on your right, you have the Saint Teresa. Because of the pandemic, a lot of places close, and this is where if you have a big emergency and they need an airlift with an helicopter, this is where they landed, right in this area. So yeah man, fire reader make you feel like you still there at home in Jamaica. You know, a lot of persons in the USA, Canada, UK, all over the globe miss them sweet Jamaica. The land we love. Natural beauty. So on your left, you would have the Black River Hospital. So when you're driving in Black River, you have to look out for stray animals, cows and goats. As you see, the sign said we are now leaving Black River. So on your right, you have the SMB, Surgical and Medical Associate, Black River Limited. Yeah man, just enjoy the ride with Fire Raid. Yeah man, true Jamaican vibes. So I'm very close to the Black River High School. I know a lot of persons supposed to remember them past school and they miss it. So I'm still on the main road. So if you make a right turn, it would all take you to Newtown. And also in Newtown you have Hartrust School, Vocational Training Center. am in the location of Hodges. So yes, my people, so let us know our sweet, sweet Jamaica, you know. Let us know our sweet, sweet Jamaica. I know a lot of persons want to travel to Jamaica, but just watch Fire Reid channel and you can know a lot about Jamaica, places where you can go and places you all forget. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid, and always remember to hit the notification bell and press all, so as soon as I uploaded a video you will be notified. So thank you. As you can see, the government is cleaning up the roadside so you can get some more space. So if you make a right turn, it will take you all to Brompton Manor. You have a housing scheme there, so if you make a right turn, it will take you to Brompton Manor. So the direction that I'm heading right now, I'm heading to the Crawford side. So as you can see, guys working, cleaning up the road. this is how it be in Jamaica, so you have to be careful. So on your left, you have the Silker and Mining Company. That is where they build glass. So a lot of heavy units drive on this road. So Hodges. Yes, my people, Jamaica still nice and sweet, same way. You know, man, one love and one heart, you know. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Yard and abroad, and big up on yourself who tune into Fire Raid. Yeah, man, big unit on the road. So we're having some bumpy ride right now. So it's a busy day in Jamaica today. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Raid.